Hello students, today I am going to explain you prepositions. Define. Words which show the relation between a noun and a pronoun and same other word in a sentence are called preposition. Let's see. On. On is used to express a surface of something. For example, a book is on the table. My exam will be on Monday. I was born on 30th May 1988. Students, if something is lying on upside, means see here you can see book is on the bench, right? Teacher sit on the bench. Students, you can see here pencil is on the book. Students, before name of day, okay, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, before the name of the days, week of days, we will write on. Before the any date also we will write on, okay. Now at. At is used to point out specific time or place. If you want to point out specific time or place, we will use at. I will meet you at 5 p.m. Here perfect time given. So we will write here at. We exchange gifts at Diwali. Perfect occasion given. Right? Perfect time, perfect place, perfect occasion. Okay. If point out any specific time, place, we will write at before that. Now in. In is used for unspecific times during a day, month, season, year. Okay. Here you can see in summer we will go to Goa. Here written in summer. Okay. Before the season we will write in. The movie came in 1990. Okay. In 1990 year. So before the year also we will write in. Students, in is used to indicate a location or place. For example, books are in the bag. The birds are in the nest. Here also you can see pencil, pen, right? Pencil is in the pouch. Teacher sit in the classroom. So student, in is used to indicate a location or place. Okay. In also used when we are talking about a country, a large city or street. I live in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is in Gujarat. Okay. In is used when we are talking about country or a large city or street. Okay. Now near. Near is showing short distance. Okay. For example, the table is near the chair. Cow is near the gate. Here you can see teacher sit near the whiteboard. Right. Here also you can see sharpener is near the book. Okay, near shows the short distance. Now come to between. It shows the position in the middle. Middle position show. Rahul sat between Ansh and Raj. Chair is between door and bench. Here also you can see sharpener. And here two books are there, right? So here you can see sharpener is between two books, right? Here you can see sharpener there, here pencil and here eraser is there, right? So here you can see sharpener is between the pencil and eraser. And now here you can see pencil is between the book and sharpener. Okay. Between shows the middle position. Okay. Now among. among. It is used for more than 2 persons. For example, Ram has distributed chocolates among students. It shows the students written here. It shows the more than 2 persons. Riya is brilliant student among all. Okay. Now behind. It is used to show something is back. Your back side is there. The thief is hiding behind the tree. The house is behind the post office. Okay. Now in front of. It shows something is in front of our face side. There is a car in front of my house. Students writing paper in front of teacher. Here you can see teacher seat in front of whiteboard. Okay, in front of means our face side. Now here above. It shows the position. Above. It shows position of higher but not directly over. Above means it shows the position of higher but not exactly up. For example, the fan is above the man. Here you can see fan is there and here man is there. Fan is above the man. Here you can see the man is not standing exactly down. Right? Fan is not exactly up. Means above means it shows the higher position but not exactly up. Birds fly above the bridge. Suppose here bridge is there, right? And here birds are flying. So it shows the higher position but not exactly up. Okay? Above means it shows the higher position but not exactly up. Over. It shows position of higher exactly above us. For example, the bridge is over the river. Here river is there and bridge is over the river exactly up. Right? The thief jump over the wall. Here you can see fan is there and man is there. Right? Here you can see the fan is over the man, exactly over, right? And here you can see it shows the higher position but it is not exactly up, and here you can see it shows the higher position exactly up, right? It is used to show something exactly down. Exactly down. The cat is under the table. The boy is under the tree. Here you can see here one table is there and one pencil is there. So you can see here pencil is under the table exactly down. Right? Now below. Below shows lower than something but above the ground. Pencil is below me. It's down but not exactly down to me. Eraser is below bench. Here you can see one table is there and pencil is here. Pencil is down but exactly down not there. So we will use here below. Pencil is below table. Okay. So under means exactly down and below means down there but exactly down not there. Okay. Now into. Into used when something or someone is going into another location. For example, dog is diving into the water. Okay, from one position to another position going. The boy is diving into the swimming pool. Okay. So into is used when something or someone is going into another location. Now come to from. Indicating the point in space of which a journey or action start. For example, we live in Pune from 1999 to 2015. Here our journey starts from 1999. Okay. So from indicate the point in space of which a journey or action start. Okay, before that we have to write from, and middle we will write to. Diwali vacation will start from 15th October to 30th October. Okay. Out of means outside. For example, students stand out of the class. You can say keep your water bottle out of the class. Okay, so students, these all are prepositions. Okay, so students, your concept should be clear. In your exam, questions can be asked from outside also. So refer your B book and English grammar textbook. Okay, and your concept should be clear. So if question come from outside, you can able to write the answer. Okay, thank you.